samna say na yemfamu from emfamu yeshase e dey free e Kumasi Krodwe manasa sentimentemwa ni International Sports Authority ewo Asante opanyi proper chairman ana boss awadanu efreno Kwame Ba Mensa ena eni ni tin ko bisa opanyini na no ada na ehun se crusade bi ekoso ewo Baba Yarago Pramaso aso from Deeper Life and then so for the 2nd September AFCON qualifier Ghana ne omefen Angola ebebo ugiri se nu sa time no na Baba Yara aye ready anasa na enye ready entienkyerem a Kwame Ba Mensa edi tu yanim okan sempi ena edi etu yanim yenhwe nsam awdo wode etu yanim,
especially respecting the fact that we are all in it. We know the passion of the nation and we wouldn't want to belittle anyone or take any stakeholder for granted, but the point is, yes, we do these events occasionally to beef up our resource base to maintain the facility. Okay. And so we are saying that we are on the grounds. We will continue to do our work. We will continue to maintain and fix everything possible to ensure that the stadium is generally ready for all competitions. I believe.
Let's say Opanyina Oye NSA Asante Panyina Odano eno Kwame Ba Mensa ene kase oh da udidi asankwan ade Baba Yarago Pramano ansana Black Stars na Angola ebesi aka no na no manyina ye ready eno achi no Ghana Premier League no eso enhyase no na omatoto no ma awie eno achi no bisa na de na omudi dwuma bi o Baba Yara eye pitch covers no say bia ankomo fa bibi ense eye pitch no so serebe yanka grass no eho entechma na de na omunya saade no eno so okyerechemu sei Eddie MI.
Pitch covers, yes. Head office is working round the clock to ensure we purchase the right kind of pitch covers. So a lot of people believe that the idea of pitch cover will possibly save all that we are talking about. But you know that the kind of pitch covers possibly a lot of people are thinking about, when you lay these pitch covers on a natural grass, you will still come out to see the dangers or the harm that has been done to the grass. Yes, we know that this period we give the pitch out is a free period for the authority to maintain, and we believe a lot of the grasses needed rejuvenation. Even if not for the event, we were going to take a lot of them, sections of the pitch, replant before September. A lot of videos on the social media. I have tasked my IT department to do a before, during, and after video and pictures of the stadium.
And we are let's so Roma Opanoya NSA Asante or Da Anono Eye Kwame Ba Mensa na HHM Dentia eye omudi dwuma bi ewo agopramano no so Baba Yara omomfa de enkata eye ewura ne so eno no kyerɛkyerɛ mu ne hyehyɛ a na se empanyimfo di guna kwa mu edma yemram ewo Ghana Football Association asoye ne nyina no se omde no ma bi guna kwa mu so omne nsɛntwɔfo ewo nhyiamu bi ebedi omato din meet the press na ebeto dwa nyame pa Friday ewo sunwane na Friday sunwane no efa hen ena ebekoso Eastbet Hotel awia donc 1 p.m. and Ghana Football Association meet the press no ebetimi abasonom central fosia na no ma bia Ghana Football Association edi guna kwam nsem bia ho behia so mu ebeyi ano ene hyehyɛ a omo je ahead of the new season enche na ebe hyase no omo di nyina ato nsɛmtwɔfo anim na bia so etima kama jenwram ewo division 1 league super cup enura enawrama the final round of A group games no etimi eba so results do etimi eba and say NSC ekwani nyina etimi aboa amia teams are qualify na Roma A group stages no and no kwa United twa United 4-1 and no chinu wadu bia setro my young apostles ebom 8-2-0 and no chinu Roma Techima Liberty etna Emma Baseke Holy Stars ebom 4-2 Sazura Techima Heroes esu etwa Vision ekabako a omu entmantina so far yanya teams oma qualify qualify epiem the semi-finals no semi-finals no baba so on Thursday na say na semi-finals no fixtures no eso esitie me ba cho mo my semi-final fixtures no na ye twa sade ko division 1 league super cup etodwa no uwura ma nyampon Thursday nya echina no Techima Heroes ball against Okwa United 10 a.m. na Young Apostles and Vision FC so at the apem so 3 p.m. and no games ebetodwa on semi-final stages no and yede amamono na yemro Ramian Phantoms Vision FC and game no bana we no Nana Kweku Ajiman and the head coach at my Vision FC yebusan so pan so far mu ramo the semi-final stage day and awoka at afa Vision FC semi-finals mo kono ehon.
Mainly will be midfield rotations, possession on the high, definitely, so that we'll be able to break attacks. Phase 3, phase 4, we still need a lot of work. As much as we even play the younger boys, we didn't concede. It means that our phase 1 and 2 is really, really good. So we need to concentrate on phase 3 and 4 to be able to break through and then finish in the final phase. I think mainly will be midfield rotations.
And someone Nana Kweku Ajiman, head coach at my Vision FC, and the trainman. What you say, coach Itona. So far, we share a super Kappa Mobo or Division 1. Ewon Suatremana. Ago Pramano so Nana Kramansa Park. Might draw some positives. Bifisa tournament team wana.
Yes, of course. I mean, many positives. I mean, we started fully with the young players coming from Validas, and the intention was to try them, let them play at least a whole 45 minutes so that, of course, we can also assess them, which is something that we did. In the first half, we lost too many balls. The build-up was poor. Players in positions was not too good. Movement on and off the ball was not too good. But like I said, these are very young players that are coming through. They deserve the chance, they deserve the opportunity, and that's what they got.
And you and some Vision FC head coach Nana Kweku Ajiman and the two a so far rum a Division 1 League Super Cup a Tujana positives are what draw a film and what they are to them now. Now, young Ramian fan to him as a MTNFA Cup 2024-2025 season on the schedules no aba na sebesha say 25th to 28th October 2024 na prelims ebetimi abaso na run of 64 abaso from 29th to 2nd December November 29th November to 2nd December and a baso run of 64 na run of 32 and from 10th to 13th January na 2025 na run of 16 21st to 24th February 2025 and a quarter finals 28th to 31st March 2025 na semi-finals May 9 to 12 2025 na 14th and 15th June fanano eso etimi abaso eno ede tia de emamo na yemro team FN Dreams FC ni enso musoma the Theatre of Dreams dew na omo say pe normal binti no say omo de omo venu no ekọ akwakopiem tuba na tuba no piem won kran fa Dreams FC ese bia ye fro botia no English amanfro ho enewa sese de ho ene Dreams FC so omo kwakoso makan 2024-2025 Premier League season na bia kam to omo gide mapa esa de hye ni nipa botiano English amanfro ebetimi abete omo chama bibia eso etimi ayekama eno ede de hearts of folk eno mo pre-season gamer omo ebebo omo ni be chem United ena ede ebepim so ewo Pobiman hearts of folk omo training ground so about 3 p.m. ena omo de ebepim so na chino na otwi awie na urama bese manche homo cup no hearts of folk eso ene heart of lions ebepim so na ne ena coaches ni mienu ebekasa ene central phobia na bia so ayekama enu ya 10:30 a.m. ena Roma Abubakar Watara ene coach Bashir Hayford eso ne central phobia no madi nkomo ogbese manche palace wo na bia so ayekama ogbese eno edieba ye di mama santi kotoko bobo ekuo no enura omuro mo gym session 10 players and to me anya training ya busasa de o ma prepra ana dent no man to me anya training ne nyina no say so enra o mu kopie mu on kran en kan no mu kwae no o mu ko apply for a visa kotoko be European tour na o mu ko German embassy e ko apply for visa na first batch of players o mu ko apply no na e wo Bernard Somua e ko bi no wanti anya training Frederick Asare Henry Ansu Elvis Icheba for enye Smart Abdul Hamid and Abrante Peter Amidu Akwa Baba Jaya Sampa O'Neill Andrews Intimano and Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman on their 10 players on your first batch and no man you train on Piemo Accra apply for a visa German embassy for the European tour and Balegon cities as young Kancham say almost so I ready this week here or more and your partnership with a year Jumakwe from a banner and Untino on Velo home and away Jesse this week na bibia come up for Premier League season yeah but abe wuramle bia so etwa fine fancy aba na de adi bia ne Dr. Nsenchire Dr. Richard Nsenchire no on ye opanypo proper Samates boboko no oda no na nano na Samates etimi je eye Nsenchire cup no edi so na so you say tournament wey or this season and this year compare last year obeka say Nsenchire cup tournament wey no I successful ana yentem wa Dr. Richard Nsenchire ede etu yenim
24 there in terms of organization no na far better last year because last year say in 2 matches and you hold no na park and so you crowd because you money na no so but to get this season you go for my very good weather inti bibia ko you last season po na our kakreba obi na fe officials ni bi or money break this year it was much last year.
And no, I am Sama Dr. Richard Nsenchire Opanyina Sama Tesbobo Koniane Dia Kofarbai Nanra on a full time. So virus any din come out church mo so at the HA a brand war a fisemunium fancia na and some don't any dema fancy time when ye fancy kinako nie fancy brenie na se de Chelsea for na ma enuma motunie mania je wo Chelsea team mu mania je se Maresca beye fancy akwaba
so we be find it
I said the Chelsea mu na ma
oh yes
more Samon pewa
mo G League ni
Arsenal na Arsenal de said de bia mu degrade and mu nyane sa
beyond degrade mo
Arsenal de nkasa na afi wey
okay
team say Chelsea de so mu kran mo kashiri
okay
na kura manim na babo bia so rose mfre nante na Chelsea be ko Arsenal nim Ateta mu yezu kudo no Chelsea fancy obrenie amansani wiase na da
wow we are weekend we are Manchester United wonum sade community shield weekend next weekend starting day 1
second no nya ndam kra na nya kontom
Matias
Arsenal nya de kra na nya Chelsea
enye masa fanye nkuru wa na hia
yes afi ya Arsenal afi
okay Mati
Arsenal supporter bi ada
ona okay Mati yes mamen fanto wanim se enra matches about so matches outdoor and over so our princess games ni nyina mo no yare update tab ma ya tio for enano pe our show no so mom enra wanim se dwumadi aguso cause our Paris and some Olympic games and all kinds of cultural say your matches our brass games ni nyina no and some about cause our near fantasy basketball when energy gold medal and you see now so enra ya benya team Germany omutwa Greece amino aye 76-63 ebiem and some aye team Serbia woman Australia for game about so enra no aye 95-90 and you game no and some about so France amino woman so we need game team Canada 82-73 and Senna Brazil and some Malizo game no and some Narma US of my culture say aye US am man omania prepare say nay woman we say say other outlet ni bi and some our different disciplines are woman gold medal ediamo man no woman so ehwe no so omo si aka awone ya ye fan say basketball arma team US no woman so betimi afa aye gold medal enra woman so atwa omaya ye fan say pro so aye 12287 ano aye game ano and some about so na mamen front to say wa bra kobas enra woman so about so much awie ye ama chese US ma enya win our so much no nyina no wonim say me no kasora ye fan say Kevin Durant anom aye KD na waba be record sansenei wo ka ayade so omo basketball and some ama US man omo points omanya and some Olympic games no ma na chese Kevin Durant no wonom ana ba be set record na me no kase no wonom some abanya 400 and ayade say 84 and that's 494 494 no and aye so far points are wonom some anya area set the record na no pay no ye day update ni na tema na se nyame ya no bochena ana US ominous game our semi-finals no mo and some abaso matcha and some abaso watchna no aye 7 o'clock anwumra US amai no womo some ane Serbia and abo Serbia team no womo ha sense onim crowd ye womo kita branch avansa Nikola Jokic yabusa coach ye fan Steve K some opani anya bia na matcha mo kwakobo no chena no sei ana musi fa sa game anya bia so no mu dinkunim anasa sei na sa game no and some abesi akwayentie some coach ye fan Steve K and some adama US and to Jaffa Serbia and yes some final game no
against us. You know, we've had 2 wins against them, but they've proven to be one of the best teams in the world. And now that they've seen us a couple of times, I'm sure they'll have some counters for us. We just have to keep doing what we're doing, which is defending at a really high level. We know that's what wins in FIBA. You know, for USA basketball to defend and rebound and you know keep the possessions even. So we're not giving up a lot of extra possessions and
yes, me I say and no kakra bia coach na ede ne nsem ni nyina no and some man some for our brand no pay a day update ba onim say and ade china no pay and some our Ghana friendly matches out wa na I was about so nyina na ba so ma me front one say enra wo games out wa boss and notable matches ni nyina no Dortmund and Bobokua ye fan say via o omo 2-2 ebiem and some aye Barnsley eluzu 4-0 and so anima Roma team no na Juve echo omon kwada no wamo bo 4-0 eman kwada no so antimi antibe and what Real Madrid Boboku no and some na Chelsea academy no ama Chelsea at academy baako Lucas Vazquez about first goal Brahim Diaz about second goal and a player ye fan say no ni Madueke at academy baako and some other Chelsea ni nyina no and some number our first half no mo now Barca and AC Milan and some about 2-2 atiba kon say from 2 goals up I Nikola Jokic and Christian Pulisic and some about 2 goals and Milan and Senna Robert Lewandowski about 2 goals no ama Chelsea Barca France atuomuka na mon penalties abane de I AC Milan team no and some nya win our penalty shootout no mo na make counts enra wabre koba say bobo kwefansa Madrid and some other Chelsea abane no I Brahim Diaz and a J man of the match award and some other medical abatu just say one more preseason matches ni na no genia ya can say man of the match award I match ball and ya dumauko esa se kuru bia no ya tam dia ma and Enra Brahim Diaz no and some agent ball edi kofian wate yen can say player ya fan say Robert Lewandowski one some agent man of the match award Enra one some agent match ball no and some edi kofian Bobokua ya fan say AC Milan o ya AC Milan fana I was say wunya gidie sansafino and you man abekam onum say preseason no or fan say Paulo Fonseca AC Milan womasha Man City womasha Real Madrid AC Milan and some natwa FC Barcelona Chelsea nyina no so far dwumadia womosom adi our Chelsea preseason no mo ye de omo update ni nyina no and some natema ye chefa enano pay wa bra ye kam Milan and so asem no ma me front one say na German say kan sam omo nkoma omo de no and some abatu aso ni nyina no ye player ye fan say MS Royal our ball some ama Tottenham sikana bobo kwa fana sa Tottenham edimantano aka 500,000 euros na sikana aso metesen wamu komodie na abatu aso serabe ya boy no some aba move ade akobobo kuwa ya fana sa Tottenham ewa brano anaso obe move ade akom Milan mom a chesene nyina na aye update and some afu amaso ade benano pay no ya de aye ho nsem no and some am ye tefuma me bonsa wamu flight radar esa so mu wi anwa game no Jaminya ne sem woman twentwan so kra wo pon match na so romo loka ruma no akwa we take o shower uwe odwaria now show ataria straight moko airport Jamensen kan say na dwono wo mutu yese enu Ghana time and na be say be at 10 o'clock and pay there I was say Barca for attach it down and some our Barcelona sansa wo mu dwumadi wo mu koti our US ne nyina no wo mu so awie to Ghana time and some na 10 and I was say Barca and some na control Barcelona na adeba could say gamer woman is similar na boy and all them say Baso and some our Baltimore a MNT Bank Stadium nipa woman so abasha Barca game against a similar no a 51,337 na Jatan say manager na ya fan say a Hansen Flick no one year bad the crazy of Barca woman share Man City Barca a share Real Madrid our El Clasico no more I just sending in an update and some Amasua Deba now report to me second and some other say Enra yes selection many Jania or yen agency Wabama Christensen I started game no na Mac Benal ako bench yes be mujiri pass a hat team no now we changes at Benal a brand massa Bishop ball pa basa for boy ebi mum our jiri se baby a symbol and ultimate dominating game no Emma Sompa ebia Milan and some dominating game ebia best 20 minutes per dia kanin no aye Bansam and a Jumano, and Tomofusa Orano, I the right coach, Adama Bobokua, you found him FC Barcelona Fay, Gentia Manager say, Uncle number 6, and Fama, maybe can last to catch our Sam. Woman in Man City and so ball game every year and a manager for Pep Abacas a bus and Koran hair and Kwadawe Digro na Syrian Korani si Diagro Kwa Eba now born Danda or Bo Aya Casado a Bo Ayadiasa Mark Banal Abaso Kaya Jamian in Anasomo Jiri Abasene and Mark Banal one more number 6 Ewa Braboino and some Nabetimaya Jumani Jessens and Adiama Saita Yafanasa Barcelona Meno Casano and some night update Eba onum sam kwadana manager Fanasa Flick Edwamo Kojuas no out of 3 matches a bouncer and some boy out of 200 and his best 70 just an also just a minute I was over 270 no boy no about 229 and no I am Mark Casado Ebiam I am Paul Victor one about 211 minutes or crowd 3 matches or starting in when you 3 man of the match awards Achesa Kodana Motombono Nachasanum as our soro Achasanum I am a player your father said Paul Victor and some boy and in Semino yet ever Danny Olmo ever drew Enra ya can be the actual and no Prediamin sir and a player Shesha Boyno ever been a medical and some Adiamabokua your father said Barca to Barca Bedra woman Ababa Tuakodan way a moment of Boyno when it deco agent and our friend Papa and some account Amabedru Barcelona airport where ya Kodana your father said Danny Olmo Jamian say warrior medical and no player Barca woman's game I one Gampa trophy I know I next week Monday report to Minyano and some other Sakotano Ebenya Bonnie Biaba and Kakra and some from Maswateba I want something yet Emma yet for another pay and some our Shonos report to Mesaka and some others our Madrid yes I remember from coaching and then I just say, oh my ada goulash, Anafi, Endrick, Emma, Obian Pry, will be I okay. Many judges decided, sir, one person about taking risk as San Quadano, woman will be on my bread, I just sending an eye update, and also about Brahim Diaz, I will be a say, one of other gym man of the match award against I Chelsea. Brahim Diaz say, oh my says, baby, on my tension, and some super cup, on himself super cup, no, where I UEFA, woman Atalanta, and a bubble manager. your friends Ancelotti Munina no Amosom Nakabisa say woman that's focus and some I say woman some about me at Janutinam no Casino woman call a international break at Chesomunya extended a holidays in Inano woman some about Drew and Madrid Omutron in Abacaso our fat Debabas and Omuna Super Training should Balinamaba Eduardo Camavinga Fallen Mendy Shuameni Anatani Cafaya or Refansa Federico Valverde Anafe or Refansa Mbappe woman in Abadru Anokado American Post I just say one Abadru Madrid our partner woman training session Abasunino woman some Nabanya time at training not Chelsea Menijano and some Bakutia your friend Enzo Maraska say what Chelsea goes woman considered in the last season at the banning what did he have us a highline no not just what Bob Pochettino and some Akuta and I'm problem no on Chelsea manager on problem and I coach on Bizana Sausha problem any time and was say what did come back on the boys in the team come say I'm a best one take a highline so not Chelsea a better Kakabasana a advantage at the Matimono now when you know come in my Basana yanam at the how and a baye and a from Nina Kwakotom to a Chidia Basano Cradie a young come out on the boys no woman didn't that say problem in Yanam I highline now woman born last season not just a Pochettino maybe I will be on crack 1 year you Chelsea manager no
trying to solving from the pre-season since day one. One of my first meeting with the players, with the squad, was the amount of goal that we conceded last year with defensive line very high. It's something that we are trying to work. And today I think offensively once again the team is there because the patterns they are there. We create chances. The problem has been defensively. When I say defensively, it's not just the defensive line, it's in general all the players, but overall now it's finished. We come back to London and from there we're gonna start Inter and then official.
Yes, not just any after Tabanchi clubs will be a free shoe as about back to the base. I just know I update and pay a tema for Liverpool. Yerikadi at 2 number 6. I baby as I say, here manager Pana Dominion and Nano Pen say, yes, Liverpool manager 1 Aquatana. Your friend Darwin Nunez, among first eye, woman first strike camera, yes, some content 10 West answer, Nunia Sudiluko General, same old story. What about 12 Jamianos and from Serbia Darwin etimi ball at down positions in report to America can say manager for say boy no or you out and out striker and then you one apart from number 6 in a Liverpool manager your fans are in a slot opening Jamianos can open say yes we must study to now we say Tokrona baby apart from number 6 I'm say we 6 in from Jack can masa so just Liverpool team and 1 me a pump afi one more hand game pa just be here pa no and some 6 our brother be a can in there what did you about problem one some solve and so we answer nina update about full team one some about for Scott McTominay na sikena manju empan for dimanteno full of babako one of them, I just a mere so cramaba. Yes, one say asking price and was rolled in the signing to know. One more summer beam and they one more share ABR just other sectors and simple at least Akako Pobi and Swatinaba. May you say Casemiro no amonton na mom ebesine wo be yan shadan first kamai now so virtual in del of Eddie sikani bi efi Turkey aba ho ebe so for Italy and some aba ho omo nyina no and some na players amano Casemiro you for no and some na be so omo jomo kwa Arsenal and some na training our Sompa reality ayo complex so na a son and one nary enya chance any team no and some na training abiem and some ayo Mouse Lewis Skelly and Aquatana your fans 8 and heaven woman you know Arsenal ayade some perifono and some chance a chance out data and some never to me I'm a boys way and your chance abo at your mother Ghana and you know I update about David here I said January Jana Amaso and Temeno Casa Fiorentina yes it is one of the 2.5 million or better and one our team be our bar I was so na and then meeting Abacoso Fiorentina Emano contract until 2026 Amano Casa and some no obi ono anso no betimi move akọ Italy and also I kakra film at eba yen kroma 9:30 ba me woni ko Williams update akara ne same video na no ambeka wa sebo yes ba sebo no so kenken kwa sa almost say beba of na force akora na man ye still na nya boy ne na enro penny ba kwesi after so mary dan olmo almost say one more to go. One more ya hwan. Na say Nico Williams. Oh, masa kwan bia so mo tam no. Barcelona. Almost ni nua ina kiri odi agrokra. But across o tu chairman bra no. Oh yes, I said no dia. Obi ofo ato ni nsa so pen dia. Ah, she the Chelsea mo ya there. Masa. Na pre-season boys no pitch we unko prawo. Sa. O dey. O dey see best start season ana. Say Chelsea I say a year se jollof no. Na musin kakasa jim okay die so ni pan no de ba masa oni madua oh proms there no your friend say proms special jollof masa brema ho brema si ho oh wife there and o ba ni mi are tam o so oni madua ne ye dia waso ba shi o and the jollof na no and I de ne dia ne man so won fa akwa mante o tenant de o ye ho ade hey Shadrack Madam Pachone de no wanto ye de bre no ye be do bibia 7:30 de aka va beto ase de ama beer amen beer